This is a tutorial on how to mount Deep Sky DET autofocuser onto the telescope. This is a new revision of the focuser which has antiflex arm. So first step is to attach the adapter to the focuser. This is already done. Next, attach the motor to the L bracket, but do not tighten the bolts down. Only attach them a little so the focuser can still move inside the L bracket. Next step is to attach the anti-flex arm to the adapter, but also do not tighten the bolts down. Attach it loosely so there is still space and autofocuser can move up and down, like so. Now, in next step, we attach the belt. Put the autofocuser in the lowest position, closest to the microfocusing knob. After that, first put the belt onto the pulley on the motor, and then gradually slide it onto the knob on the focuser side until it pops onto the teeth, like so. Now, next step is to tighten the belt. Not too much force has to be used, just so that you can feel some force of the belt being tightened, and in that position tighten the two bolts on the L bracket so that the motor is firmly attached to it. After the two bolts are secured, you can add another two bolts so it's attached firmly. Now the belt is relatively tight, but not tight enough to prevent any backlash. So the last step is reducing the flex of the L bracket and effectively making the axis of focuser and motor axis parallel. So you have to first tighten this bolt, and after that you gradually tighten this one until axes are parallel. If you check it out now, you can see that the tension of the belt actually flexes the whole thing. You can see that axes are not parallel. So the goal is to tighten the arm until they are parallel, like so. And this effectively also tightens up the belt to its optimal tightness. Okay, this is it. The axes are pretty much parallel. The belt is tight as much as it's required. The movement, no backlash. Optimal tightness of the belt. That's it. Clear skies.